The key components that benefit from an overhaul are the high wear components. So we'd be talking around the pistons, the liners, the injectors. By overhauling and replacing all those key components, you're going to get back up to as good as the original fuel efficiency and performance of that engine. And that's going to allow you to then have that reliability for your products moving forward. Overhauling an engine is a more cost-effective solution versus a replacement. It allows you to still maintain a second engine life, but in a more cost-effective manner. So it still allows you to have a reduced level of risk in terms of breakdown. And our technicians are there to support in terms of hypercare, PPP, and supporting you past that overhaul to ensure you're getting the maximum productivity out of your engine.